Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the error code 0x8019019a when you are attempting to set up your web mail client using the Windows 10 Mail app. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the start menu. Just open it up and type in mail. Best match should come back with mail. Go ahead and right click on it and select app settings. You want to scroll down on this page where it says reset. If this app isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Go ahead and select reset. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Go ahead and select reset. And then once that is done, close out of here, restart your computer, and then attempt to add the account. So there'll be an account button when you open up your mail app. Select accounts, and then just go ahead and add your Yahoo or Ask or Gmail account, whatever account you're trying to sync up. And that should pretty much be about it. So pretty straightforward process there, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.